In this video, I will be teaching you step-by-step benefits of drinking warm water in the morning. Make sure you watch till the end, because every single one of the tips are very important. Start your day with a drink of hot or warm water and you'll soon reap the benefits. Drinking water is one of the best favors you can do to your body. It has surprising health benefits such as strong kidneys, more energy, better mood, and lower cholesterol. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon so you will be notified whenever we publish a new video. Warm water only adds to the long list of reasons why water should be a staple in your diet, with several exclusive reliefs. No one can argue that hot water is not tasty. But the few seconds of weirdness significantly outweigh the benefits. You may be used to drinking a cup of coffee or tea to wake you up in the morning. Some of you may opt for a glass of cool water to replenish you and get your morning started. These things may now be morning habits. However, it can be worth reconsidering how you start your morning, because research shows that drinking warm water on an empty stomach offers the most health benefits. Physicians recommend drinking warm water in the morning, usually with a polyphenol-rich lemon immersion, or with a tea shown to decrease free radical activity in the body. The consumption of warm water increases the tightening of the intestines, which optimizes elimination. Unlike hot water, processed cold water is devoid of many essential minerals that could become very unfavorable to the digestive tract when consuming a meal. For cold water drinkers, research recommends refraining from drinking 20 minutes before eating, even if the source is natural spring water. While drinking warm water may not suit your taste buds, it may be beneficial to put the caffeine and tea aside for your health's sake. Healthy benefits of drinking warm water in the morning. Here, this is what we have been waiting for: healthy benefit of drinking warm water in the morning. Here are my 19 tips for drinking warm water in the morning. 1. Helps clear out toxins. A drink of hot water raises the core body temperature, stimulating the sweating process, which is one of the ways the body eliminates toxins. When consumed on a regular basis with lemon added to it, hot water helps balance all the acidic foods we ingest daily. If you're not a fan of lemon, try green tea, which may decrease free radical activity in the body. Look out for these signs: your liver is in big trouble. 2. Better hair. Hot water activates the nerves at the roots of your hair, making it soft and glowing. Regular activity of the roots helps the hair grow faster. Dehydration is one of the main reasons for dry hair. Each hair shaft is made up of 1/4 water, and when you don't drink enough, it causes your hair to become weak. 3. Helps with weight loss. On its own, consuming hot water won't make you lose weight, but it does help the process. Research recommends starting the morning with hot water and lemon to fire up your metabolism, which gives the body the ability to burn more calories throughout the day. 4. Can decrease stress levels. Since drinking warm water helps improve central nervous system functions, you might end up feeling less anxious if you drink it. If you add some warm milk to the mix, you might find that you're feeling even more calm than after drinking hot water. Drinking hot water also clears out your intestines to prevent bloating in your body, thus getting rid of excess water weight you may be carrying. 5. Better digestion. A very warm cup of water in the morning can help cleanse your body by flushing out toxins. Water and other liquids help break down the food in your stomach and keep the digestive system on track. Warm water will help break down these foods even faster, making them easier for you to digest. Drinking cold water during or after a meal can actually harden the oil in consumed foods and therefore create a fat deposit in the intestine. Adding ice to processed cold water will strip it of natural containing minerals, as these minerals are essential to keeping the digestive tract healthy. Luckily, you can replace a glass of cold water with a warm one to aid digestion, especially after eating a meal. 6. Mood. Although not a focus of their study, researchers found that the consumption of hot water likely contributed to improved mood among participants. 7. No dandruff. The logic is unbeatable. Warm water keeps your scalp hydrated, preventing the formation of dandruff, which are small pieces of dead skin in the hair. 8. Lower risk of infections. You have probably heard of boiling water when you're hiking in the wilderness. This is because the process kills harmful bacteria and microbes in the water that can hurt your body after drinking it. By reducing your exposure to opportunistic infections, hot water is superior to room temperature or cold water. 9. Improves metabolism. Drinking 2 cups of water will increase your metabolic rate for about 30% for up to 40 minutes. This includes warm water, which increases your body temperature, resulting in a faster metabolism. Keep in mind that the difference won't be huge. Your metabolism is mostly affected by weight, age and genetics. 10. Soothes sore throats. This is the perfect natural remedy for when you have a cold. Hot water dissolves the thick viscous substance secreted by the mucous membranes and helps to remove it from the respiratory tract. Drinking hot water also doses miracles with nasal congestion, especially if you inhale the steam. 11. It helps ease constipation. At one point or another, many of us are plagued by this common stomach problem where we have little to no bowel movement. The strain felt during elimination, accompanied by bloating, is brought on by a lack of water in the body. Drinking very warm water in the morning on an empty stomach can help improve bowel movements and aid constipation while breaking down foods as they smoothly pass through the intestines. Stimulating the bowels will help return your body back to normal functioning. 12. Keeps you hydrated. Hot water is no different than room temperature or cool water when it comes to keeping you hydrated. A common recommendation from health authorities is that an adult should drink 8 8-ounce glasses, about 2 liters or a half gallon, of water a day. That's a hard target for many people to hit. Starting your day with a serving of hot water and ending your day with another will get you that much closer to being adequately hydrated. Your body needs water to perform basically every essential function, so the value of that can't be overstated. 13. Easier on your teeth. Your teeth may thank you for switching from cold to warm water. Warm water is better for the teeth and restorations, and is more easily absorbed. Certain white filling materials contract in response to cold water, causing fillings to debond off the tooth. Again, make sure your water isn't too hot. Any extreme temperature on the teeth can be detrimental, so try to drink your water at room temperature to keep your pearly whites happy. 14. Natural pain relief. While drinking cold water causes muscles to contract, drinking warm water increases blood flow to the tissues, allowing muscles to relax. This can help with all kinds of pain, from joint aches to menstrual cramps. Drinking warm water before going to bed also has a soothing effect, which may help you fall asleep faster, and it will make you feel fuller, no midnight cravings, and more rejuvenated in the morning. 15. Makes you friendlier. All health benefits aside, warm water could make you friendlier. The University of Colorado Boulder study found that participants who briefly held a hot cup of coffee versus iced judged others as having more generous and caring personalities. In a second part of the study, participants who held a hot therapeutic pad versus a cold one were more likely to choose a gift for a friend than a gift for themselves. So however you drink your warm water, make sure you hold on to the cup for as long as possible. 16. It prevents premature aging. Nobody wants to age prematurely, however, the presence of toxins in the body can make aging faster a reality. When our body accumulates toxins, it becomes prone to illness and aging. Warm water can help cleanse the body from toxins. Furthermore, it can help repair skin cells, which can lead to an increase in the elasticity of your skin. 17. It alleviates pain. A potent natural remedy for easing the pain from menstrual cramps is warm water. It relaxes stomach muscles and helps alleviate menstrual pain. Moreover, warm water is an effective remedy for all types of cramps as it improves capillary circulation and helps to relax the muscles in the body. 18. It improves blood circulation. Accumulated deposits in the nervous system and fat deposits in the body are eliminated when you drink a glass of warm water. This process helps flush out the toxins that are present throughout the body, which, in turn, aids blood circulation. Warm water is also relaxing, helping the muscles loosen, eliminating poor circulation, and assisting blood flow. 19. It induces sleep. When you sip warm water during meals, especially during dinner and before you go to bed, you will help your body relax and soothe your nerves. In turn, this can help induce sleep. It will also assist with stopping midnight cravings and lead to a feeling of rejuvenation in the morning. Getting into the habit of drinking hot water doesn't take a lot of work. Starting your day with water that's been boiled and left to cool is an easy way to switch out your morning coffee. Add a light session of stretching to your routine, and you'll feel more energized and better equipped to tackle your day. If the taste of warm water doesn't appeal to you, add a twist of citrus, like lemon or lime, to the beverage before you drink it. Drinking warm water before bed is a great way to wind down after a busy day. Knowing about the health benefits will have you sleeping soundly. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.